coffee before the flight. Good morning everyone. So, andito kami BGC and we're gonna be staying here for a week. Dahil ako naman meron akong event mamaya. Tapos si Hubby, sasama siya sa mga kaibigan niya sa Odax Tarlac. Mag-o-Odax Tarlac sila. I'm gonna have my morning run in a bit. So right now it's 5:27. The view just outside the window. Yan. Aga pa, no? Alright, so itong kasama ko mga guys, ready nang mag-bike. Hinihintay lang yung mga kasama niya. Ako naman, magkakape lang at maglalakad-lakad. Yo! Say hi.
Hi, what's up? Hello.
G? Oh, you have 12 minutes. Kaya? So, as for me, maghahanap lang ako ng coffee. I'm just outside sa kung saan kami nag-rent ng place for 1 whole week. Ang aga-aga guys, ang dami namang ano ni Tala. Ang dami namang sign. So, kita nyo, ang daming sign ni Tala. Early in the morning, nag-greet na ako ni Tala. Nasa tapat ako ng Uptown Mall ngayon mga guys. Memplang ka ha? Huwag naman masyadong malakas. Yan lang, gana lang ko kay... Leading the way. Bodyguard. Oh, kumuha ka na. Meron palang food. I didn't know. Busog na eh. Hello! Buksan natin yung window. Anyway, so guys, to conclude yesterday's vlog. Charot! Andito kami to attend the YouTube Shopee event. And I met with amazing YouTube creators na dati ko pang na-meet nung may mga workshop ng YouTube. I also saw my partner manager. Again guys, if you don't know me, meron akong main channel. And that's how I get access to this. Anyways, so yung asawa ko naman this weekend, meron po, I have a meeting with a very influential group in terms of sa mga online loan platforms na mga advocacies against abusive na mga OLA. I'm not sure if I can share the details yet, but I'm excited to learn more kasi we're here naman to learn a lot about, you know, utang management. Hey guys! So just some light-hearted content. Para maiba naman tayo sa usual kong content guys. So I have swag packs from, mahulaan nyo, it's from One Hand. Because I had a meeting with them. Kita ba yung ano? Oh, ayan. I had a meeting with them guys. Not to promote, but to share idea. Siyempre yung mga concerns yung binoise out ko na rin sa kanya. Pag-usapan natin walagaan ba? Meron akong payong. Oh my gosh, Kuya Jay, magugustuhan mo to. Papayungan mo ako. You have 1, 2. At syempre, meron din akong handheld fan. Para pag naglalakad ako dito, pag nasa BGC ako. Oh, bongga, oh, ayan, no? May logo ni One Hand. Sagot din ni One Hand yung ano ko, yung aura ko. Para hindi ako pagpawisan. It's a rechargeable fan. Kasi alam niyo pag naglalakad dun, mainit kaya. And I also have another tumbler. Finally, yung exclusive lang daw para sa akin. Oh, wala kang ganito, Kuya Jay. Ako lang. Bigyan ng jacket yan! Ito pala sa'yo. Oh, yan. Baba lang yung kaligayahan ko, guys. This is not sponsored by One Hand. Oh, ano?
Oh, na-approve ka ba?
Hindi. Ayun mga guys, just to wrap up the vlog na sinimulan ko nung pumunta ka Manila pero hindi ko tinapos. So, we were there for a Shopee event. Kasi wala man akong Ola links pero Shopee links meron. And then, we also had the opportunity to visit One Hand's office because I was invited. Nag-lunch kami with some of the people sa One Hand and then they invited me to my office. They invited me to their office. Tapos na-meet ko yung kanilang branding team. Yung gumagawa ng mga videos nila. Sila yung mga nakikita nyo sa Facebook. But there were no talks of any, walang collab guys. They just wanted to give me a tour. And also, I've met with Miss Marty and Sir Vic ng Phil Flag to share ideas. It's really a wonderful experience because guys, it opened my eyes to a lot of things about Ola. And I'm glad that there's a group that shares my iba-iba man yung process namin or the way we do things, but we share the same passion and help people sa pag-intindi ng tamang debt management. So, other than that, we had a great time sa Manila because meron din kaming friend doon. We were toured around BGC. It was a wonderful experience and I did not realize na ang dami palang mga posters ni Tala na nasa tapat ng Mitsukoshi building. Wala lang, nothing against Tala. Naaliw lang ako makita yung nila, posters nila na andun si Juday. So, yun lang. I just wanted to give closure sa vlog na sinimulan ko while I was there but hindi ko tinapos. And I also did an unboxing of my my swag pack from One Hand where I got a fan and I got another jacket. May payong din. It was really nice. And tumblers or insulated tumblers. So, well, I love these experiences guys and gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo. So, follow me for more stuff about loans and mga kaganapan sa buhay ko and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!